Welcome back, house hunters. This week on Discover the Overseas, we are heading to the wonderful region of Marche to look at some incredible rural escapes. Today, we will look at 3 spacious properties in the countryside, all for sale for under 100,000 euros. Over the past year, I've been exploring some of the most exciting property opportunities across Italy, and today, I'm excited to share a few of the best countryside properties right here. Whether you're looking to get out of the city or just live somewhere with beautiful surroundings and a slower pace of life, one of these properties will fit the bill, all costing less than 100,000 euros. If you're considering living or investing in Italy, make sure to check out my Italy playlist and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Now, let's dive in and take a look. Today, we will be looking in the beautiful central Italian region of Marche. The region has a population of just 1.5 million people, making it the 13th largest region by population out of Italy's 20 regions. The region is broken up into 5 provinces: Ancona, Ascoli Piceno, Fermo, Macerata, and Pesaro e Urbino. Marche's capital and largest city is Ancona. The territory extends over an area of 9,000 square kilometers. It is bordered to the north by Emilia-Romagna and the tiny Republic of San Marino, Tuscany, and Umbria to the west, Lazio to the southwest, Abruzzo to the south, and the Adriatic Sea to the east. Most of the region is very hilly, except for a narrow coastal strip, which is 173 kilometers long and is where a beautiful railway runs north to south through the entire territory. Marche is one of Italy's best-kept secrets for those who want to escape the crowds of Tuscany and the high prices of the tourist hubs. It has historic hilltop towns, incredible food, breathtaking landscapes, and that classic slow-paced Italian lifestyle without the hustle and bustle. From Renaissance cities and medieval villages to golden beaches, world-class wines, and some of the friendliest communities you'll ever meet, this is Italy at its most authentic. The province of Pesaro and Urbino offers a perfect blend of seaside beauty and timeless hilltop charm, with golden Adriatic beaches just a short drive from Renaissance towns like Urbino. Fratte Rosa is a charming hilltop village perched at about 419 meters between the Cesano and Matoro valleys. Known for its medieval spiral layout, pink brick buildings, and ancient walls, it feels like stepping back in time. The town has a long-standing tradition of terracotta craftsmanship, with its distinctive, glossy, coxy wares made from local clay. Its small convent, Santa Vittoria, now houses a ceramics museum that beautifully ties together the town's history, art, and landscape. Its peaceful pace, strong sense of community, and beautiful countryside make Fratte Rosa an inviting and rewarding place to call home. First up, we have a beautiful detached house spread over 3 levels of 321 square meters. Inside there is lovely large living room space that opens up to the kitchen. The kitchen is modern and has plenty of room for a dining table, and the room also has lovely tiles on the floors. Next, we head down a lovely hallway to the bedrooms. The bedrooms are a good size. The posting says there are 3 bedrooms, but there are only photos of 2. I am sure the other bedroom is lovely as well. The second bedroom is bright and a nice size. The bathroom is in great condition with tiles on the walls, a full bathtub, with shower and bidet. There is a balcony on one side with room for a chair or two to enjoy some fresh air. And on the top floor, there is a larger terrace, perfect for having family or guests over to enjoy the views and soak in the sun. Down below, there are several large rooms that could be used for storage or even has the potential to be made into a flat below or extra bedrooms or anything you wish. Fratte Rosa is a peaceful small village with all the amenities available. It has restaurants in town and plenty of shops as well. There is a vet close by, pharmacies, schools, sports center and gyms and golf clubs. Also in town, there are bus stops helping you get around the area, as well as a bus and coach station so you can get around Italy and on to the rest of Europe as well. You are only a 40-minute drive from the beautiful city of Urbino, which you can also reach by bus in under an hour and a half. You can also visit the wonderful country of San Marino in under an hour and a half by car for a nice day out. Or you drive an hour away and spend the day on the coast in Marche, capital of Ancona. There is a ski resort close by and you can drive to the coast in around half an hour. There is a hospital in the area, and the nearest train station is only 20 minutes away. The closest airport is also in Ancona, around an hour away. This property is for sale for 83,000 euros or around $95,000. This is a great deal to live in a beautiful rural area with all amenities, surrounded by nature, and still so close to the sea. The province of Fermo combines elegant historic architecture with a relaxed coastal lifestyle, offering everything from medieval piazzas to beautiful Adriatic beaches just minutes away. Torchiaro is a tiny, tranquil hill village tucked into the green countryside of the province of Fermo. Once a medieval castle town, you can still explore its ancient city walls, a 14th century gate, and a square tower. The pretty church of Saints Simon and Jude, rebuilt in the 1800s, contains a 13th century Romanesque holy water font made with repurposed ancient stones. Living here means embracing slow, peaceful rural life, walking quiet paths through rolling hills, and soaking up the beauty of a place where history feels very close. Next up, we have another beautiful old stone detached house. This property is large at 240 square meters with large terrace with views and a large 350 square meters fenced garden. Inside the living room dining room is a big space with beautiful terracotta floors and rustic wooden beams on the ceilings, typical to the area. Next, the kitchen is bright with large windows, a fireplace, and room to eat, as well as back door access to the terrace. The terrace is an incredible spot with views over the countryside and enough room to hold large gatherings of family and friends. The bedroom one is a good size still, with the beautiful wooden beams throughout. Bedroom 2 is also a nice size. The posting says there are 4 bedrooms, but there aren't any photos of the other 2, but I am sure they are in similar condition. Stepping outside takes you to the fenced back garden. It sits below the terrace and has plenty of potential to grow veg or plant flowers or fruit trees, which it seems it might already have a few. You can also see there is a basement room below the terrace, perfect for storage. Now, the property listing does say the bathrooms need renovating and windows will need replacing, as well as some added roof insulation. But overall, I think the property is in decent condition. Torchiaro is an incredible small town, and the surrounding area has restaurants and many shops as well. There is a bus stop in town, and the nearest bus and coach station is just a few minutes away in Ponzano de Fermo, which is another lovely small town. If there is anything you can't find in town, your best bet is to head to Grottazzolina, which is just a 10-minute drive. You are also only a 20-minute drive to the magical Adriatic coast and its many towns and beaches. From there, you could also take the train the full length of Marche north or south and end up in Emilia-Romagna or Abruzzo. There is still a ski resort nearby, a hospital around the corner, the nearest train station is only 25 minutes away, and the closest airport is in Ancona, which you can drive to in around 1 hour. This property is for sale for 90,000 euros, or around $103,000, which is a great deal to live in a beautiful, authentic Italian town in a picturesque rural area that has great access to the coast. The province of Macerata in the Marche region is a stunning mix of rolling hills, fertile valleys, and charming medieval towns that feel untouched by time. With its rich history, excellent local cuisine, and welcoming communities, it's an ideal destination for visitors seeking authentic Italian culture and a peaceful lifestyle. Cingoli, often called the Balcony of Marche, is a picturesque hilltop town in the province of Macerata, offering sweeping views across the surrounding valleys and hills. Its historic center is filled with elegant churches, charming piazzas, and medieval streets that invite leisurely exploration. Cingoli is also known for its cultural events and local food traditions, including delicious wines and artisanal olive oil. Living here means enjoying a tranquil lifestyle surrounded by nature, history, and a strong sense of community. Our final detached house is stunning and sits in an incredible area with amazing views. The house was renovated in 2001 and needs nothing and is 145 meters squared. First up, we have a small sitting room with a wood-burning fireplace. It is beautiful with high ceilings and beams and lovely stone floors. The first bedroom is beautiful as well, with lovely tiled floors and exposed beams. The second bedroom is similar and also a very nice size. The listing does say there are 4 bedrooms, but only has photos of the 2. The bathroom is gorgeous as well, with the now angular floor tiles, wall tiles, stand-up shower, and bidet. The property has many small details that make it stand out. So now we are heading to the kitchen. There is a lovely dining area just before the kitchen, and the exposed stones in the walls and wooden beams along with the brick-style tiles really makes this area pop. The kitchen is lovely, with plenty of space, and a door leading outside. Next, we have the main living room area with the second wood fireplace. This room is open and feels very large, with room for a dining table to enjoy dinner with friends and family. And just outside is a lovely little terrace, perfect for enjoying some fresh air and relaxing in the sun. Also, the views of the surrounding area and the lake nearby are stunning. Many of the small details, like the exposed stones, wooden shelves, and shelves built into the walls, are just amazing. The location of the property and its natural surroundings really make this property shine. Cingoli is a beautiful area with everything you need for restaurants in town and many shops as well. There is also a vet, pharmacy, schools, sports centers, gyms, and even golf clubs. You can see the beautiful Lago Cingoli from your window, which is an amazing place for water sports, picnics, and walking trails. If you are looking for a day out in an incredible city, then Perugia is an hour-and-a-half drive away. Or you could head to the wonderful coastal city of Ancona in an hour by car to enjoy some time by the sea. You could also drive about an hour-and-a-half away to see the beautiful country of San Marino as well for a nice day out. Yes, there is a ski resort nearby. You are never far from the coast. There is a local hospital minutes away, and the nearest airport is under an hour away, just outside of Ancona. This property is for sale for 95,000 euros, or around $109,000. I think this is an incredible deal for a gorgeous house with lots of character that needs no work and is in a fantastic rural location with a beautiful lake nearby, and not too far from the airport or the coast as well. Which of these beautiful rural retreats in Italy would you buy? Was it the large 3-bedroom in Fratte Rosa, or the beautifully restored rural house in Cingoli? Personally, I loved the character of the house in Cingoli. Share your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every week, and if you're craving more Italian dream homes, check out my other videos right here. Until next time, happy house hunting!